Let's work out this question on vectors. The question reads, the diagram shows a trapezium OABC in which OA vector is equal to 2A vector, OC vector is equal to 3C vector, AB vector is equal to 3OC vector, and D is the midpoint of AC. So this here is our diagram, trapezium OABC. Then the questions that we're supposed to answer are as follows. Express in terms of A vector and OC vector. Roman numeral 1, AC vector. So this part has 1 mark. Roman numeral 2, OD vector, which has 1 mark. Then Roman numeral 3, OB vector, which has also 1 mark. And the last part, Roman numeral 4, BD vector, which has 2 marks. So let's start with the vector AC. So to work out vector AC, we will take vector AO and vector OC. So to get AC, we'll take vector AO and OC. So this will give us the following. Vector AC, which is Roman numeral 1, AC vector is equal to AO vector plus OC vector. So AC vector is equal to AO is the opposite of OA. So for that, we indicate negative 2A vector. Then plus OC. OC is given as a 3C vector. So for this one, we just say 3C vector. So this can be written as AC vector is equal to, we start with a 3C vector. So 3C vector minus 2A vector. So this here is a AC vector. Then we go to Roman numeral 2. On Roman numeral 2, we want to get the vector OD. So what is vector OD? So to get vector OD, we will take the vector OA and AD. And if you've seen, AD is in the direction of AC, and D here is the midpoint of AC. We can also take the direction OC vector and CD vector to get OD vector. Now, this direction will give us a negative on CD. This is because CD is in the opposite direction with the vector which is given AC vector. So, to get vector OD, we'll take the root that we talked about in the first place. So, we said that we are going to take the vector OA and AD. So this will give us the following. So Roman numeral 2, OD vector is equal to, so here we're saying OA vector, then plus AD vector. So now OD vector is equal to OA is given as 2A vector, then plus AD vector. So AD, since D is the midpoint, this means that this is just half of AC vector. So what is half of AC vector? Remember AC vector, we got it here. So what we'll just do is the following. OD vector is equal to 2A vector plus 1 over 2 of AC, which is this 3C vector minus 2A vector. So open bracket, 3C vector minus 2A vector. So what does this give us? So OD vector is equal to 2A vector, then plus, what is 1 over 2 times 3C? So this gives 3C vector over 2. Then 1 over 2 times negative 2A vector. So 2 and 2 will simplify, just giving us 1A vector or just A vector. Then we can collect the like terms here. 2A vector is like term with a negative A vector here. So this will give us the following. OD vector equal to 2A vector, take away A vector, plus 3 over 2 C vector. So this gives OD vector equal to 2A vector minus A vector. This gives A vector, then plus 3 over 2 C vector. So this here is our OD vector, giving us A vector plus 3 over 2 C vector. We now go to Roman numeral 3. On Roman numeral 3, we want to get OB vector. So to get OB vector, we'll use the vector OA vector plus AB vector. From the information given for this question, if we go to the information, it is given that AB vector, meaning from there to there, this is 3 times OC. And on OC, we've been given 3C here. So then, OB vector will be worked out as follows. So Roman numeral 3, OB vector is equal to, so we're saying we're taking the direction OA, then AB. So OA is 2A. So we say OA vector, then plus AB vector. So then for OB vector, OA is 2A. So we put 2A vector here, then plus AB. So AB, if you remember again, AB is 3 times OC. And OC is given as 3C. So we'll say 3 times OC vector first. So let's write 3 times OC vector here. Then the next stage, we'll say OB vector is equal to 2A vector plus 3, what's on OC, which is 3C. So we say 3C vector. So this gives OB vector equal to 2A plus 3 times 3C vector. This gives 9C vector. So this here is our OB vector. We go to the last one, which is Roman numeral 4. So on Roman numeral 4, we want to find vector BD. To get vector BD, we will use the vector BA, which is the opposite of AB. We got AB, which is 9C, so BA will be negative 9C. Then we are also going to use the vector AD. So to get the vector BD, we'll use BA and AD vector. So this will give us the following. Roman numeral 4. To get the vector BD, we're saying we'll take the direction BA, then plus AD vector. Now, BA vector is the negative of AB vector. Okay, if you remember, we got AB at some point here, which is just 3 times OC, and this gave us 9C there. So, for BD vector, this is going to be negative 9C because it is in the opposite direction. Then plus AD vector. AD vector, we worked it out at some point here. AD, we said this is half of AC, and it gave us 1 over 2 of 3C minus 2A. So we're using the same concept. So this is half of AC. Okay, and AC is given as 3C minus 2A. So 3C vector minus 2A vector. Then working out this multiplication, so first of all you write this BD vector is equal to negative 9C. Then multiplying this 1 over 2 times 3C vector, this will give us 3 over 2 C vector. 1 over 2 times 2 negative 2A vector. These 2 will simplify with these 2. So 1 times negative A will just give us negative A vector. Then we can work out these 2 because these are like terms. So we're going to say BD vector. So to work out these 2, we'll introduce over 1 here so that we make these 2 fractions. And then we're going to introduce the common denominator. So common denominator is 2. So since 1 can go into 2 and 2 can go into 2, so common denominator 2. Then we divide. 1 into 2 gives us 2. Then 2 times negative 9C. This gives negative 18C vector. Then plus 2 into 2. This gives 1. Then 1 times 3C. This gives 3C vector. Then we just write minus A vector here. So what we have is negative 18C vector plus 3C vector on top, and then over 2 here. So then we can just work out the numerator here. So this will give us BD vector is equal to negative 18C vector plus 3C vector. This gives negative 15C vector over 2, then minus A vector. So this is what we get for BD vector. So thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Thank you so much.